guys, today I'm going to be making a YouTube video about how to make a Google Slides presentation. So first, you want to make a Google Slides presentation. This is like the X, a plus sign. Choose that and press new presentation. Double tap, because it's the same for a laptop. You just do double tap. And then you write whatever title. I'm just gonna write this dumbest words. I don't know what. I'm just writing silly words. And then, if you wanna add a slide, let's say that, press this, and then if you want blank, and you don't want anything with it, you just want it blank. But it won't, as you can see, there's nothing to write on. You press this, and then press text. And then you can make it bigger, wider, like that pretty much. And then you can write anything you like. I'm just writing stupid things. And then you can also add other stuff like comments, text, images, shapes. You can make like a big square. You can turn it into a rectangle. You can make it like that, make it into a square again. You can make it into different shapes. And then you can rotate that by using the blue circle. Make it into different ones. And then let's see what we can add. And then there's lines, basic lines, like curved connectors. We can do that and that. Pretty much we can do a lot of things. We can do a lot of things, and like I said, and then we have table. We can make a table, insert table, and then let's just put it in another one. I'll put it here. You press add, then press table. Rows. I think rows would do good if you're doing something. Let's say yo-yos sold. And then let's say I sold 6 yo-yos, and my friend sold 2 yo-yos. Let's say that 2 yo-yos, and then my other friend or my cousin. Let's say my cousin. Now he sold let's say my cousin sold. If I'm writing cousin wrong, please don't say I'm a weirdo. Let's say my cousin sold 4. You don't need to write the same things that I write. It's just what you want to write. Come on, right? And then my other cousin, like that. And then total, let's say each yo-yo is for $1. So, let's say I'm at doing that. And then after total, I could make the money, how much it costs here. Cost equal $2 per yo-yo. I don't know how to write well with this key like that. And then you add 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. 16 plus 8 equals 24. 24 plus 14 equals 38. $38. That what would do 38. And then if you want to know more, there's links. You can share the link. I don't know which. Oh, yeah, you can insert links. You can also share the link as well. Once I find the share link, you press share and export. Then link sharing, you need to press that on. And then you can copy it and paste it to anyone you want. But let's say I'm gonna share to my friend, whose name is, no capital. Let's see. Yep. And then whenever she likes. Oh yeah, and I forgot. You can make. Let me share her again. Share. Fast. Oh come on. Fast. Yep. And then you can there's your content and editor if you want to use like people's word or like help, like if you're a group and people are like you want people in with you, writing with you, you press editor. If you want them to look at you, to look at what you like, to look at the slides, you press viewer. And if you want them to be commenters, that means they comment. They will comment, and then like press share, and then you, if you don't want them, and you can press cancel, but I'll press share. And pretty much that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an update. Bye.